Hi guys, maghimo mi on siupaw. So we are making our dough. So imikos-mikos nimo ang milk, yeast, and the flour. O, diba? And then guys, yumikos-mikos the flour. Mix it jud kaayod guys. But in a good hygiene sad, no? Wash your hands. Para pag mikos-mikos, lamit na jud. So guys, here is the dough. And then it's need to rise. Nga matubo pa siya to double. Nag-rise na ang dough, so it's ready to roll. Mga maghimo og siupaw. So guys, it's ready to pack our siupaw. Nag-filling na siya with igni siya guys, para siya lami. And it is easy. There is a lot of technique how to pack the siupaw. So, ikaw na ang bahala. Ang importante, maimpake na siya, di manggawas. Kay steam naman mo siya. And then, the important also, guys, biskang pa unsay hitsura, the important is delicious. Nag-wonder mo kung unsaon ni siya paghimo. At least, any kind of meat. And then, according to your taste, onya, mo na dahil imong ibalot. Diba? Simple as is. Di na maglisod-lisod. So guys, basta kamo na'y bahala. Charot. Guys, our siupaw is done already guys. Within 15 minutes, imo lang gi-steam. So guys, it's beautiful, fabulous like me. Hi guys, it's time to test our siupaw. So guys, guys, it's so delicious. And we will interview one person, guys. What do you think about my siupaw? Lami or delicious or not delicious?
It was okay.
It was okay, guys. I remember, guys, iyan ang una ng pagtilaw og siupaw. First time niya sa siupaw. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you are enjoying. Bye!